Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and apply trending video effects to your video on CapCut PC. So first, to find the trending video effects, you just need to, after you import the video, you just need to click on the effects at the top, and then here go to the video effects, and you can find this trending section. So just click on that. So here is the what is trending now in the effects on CapCut, and you can see here there are so many options, and if you want to use that, you want to apply to your video, you can just click on one of the effect. For example, I want to add this color age, so just click on the arrow down first to download the effects if you haven't downloaded, and after that here is the preview, and to edit just click on the plus icon and adjust the length of the effect until the end of your video. And here you can also do some adjustment of the effects at the right panel in here. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you guys think this video is helpful, don't forget to click on the thanks below, and don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.